Oraimo Freepods 3 are great wireless earbuds, but they cost 14,900 naira, while the Edifier X5 earbuds are way cheaper at a price tag of 11,500 naira. I've tried both of them and I'll tell you which one is the best among the two and my favorite. Without taking much of your time, let's get down to business. Both of these wireless earbuds have many of the same features. Features such as stem style design that comes down, noise cancellation during calls, USB Type-C charging port, IP waterproof rating, and so on. Now let's start with one of the most important features, which is the call quality. I've tried both earbuds in the past few weeks at a busy expressway just to see how they fare in our everyday world. Spec-wise, the Edifier X5 uses 2 microphones on its earbuds plus CVC 8.0 noise cancellation technology, while the Oraimo Freepods 3 comes with a 4 microphone plus AI deep neural algorithm for its noise cancellation effect. Enough of this spec sheet, let's see which one is the best in this category. Alright guys, so this is a typical environmental noises you are going to hear if you are on the expressway like this. As you can see right behind me, there are cars running by and it's a bit noisy. So let's check out these earbuds if they really do what they say they do as in concerning environmental noise cancellation. So this is the call quality test of the Oraimo Freepods 3 earbuds right on the expressway. It's busy out here and you can see cars running by behind me. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2. All right, this is the call quality test of the Edifier X5 earbuds right here. As you can see, it's pretty busy out here, and cars are running by. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2. So, if you listen carefully to that call quality test, you notice that both earbuds did a great job, but there is one that actually did very well when it comes to environmental noise cancellation, which is the Oraimo Freepods 3. Yeah, it actually cleared most of the noises at the background at the expressway. Now to the sound quality. If you have watched my video review on the Edifier X5 earbuds, then you notice that the Edifier X5 has a balanced sound profile when it comes to listening to music, podcasts, and so on, just in between, which means they don't really sound very punchy like some other earbuds out there. But the Oraimo Freepods 3 has a lot more punchy bass and dynamic beats, which you can literally hear the vocals and instruments, especially at the default setting. Now, both earbuds work well with equalizer, but if you ask me which of these earbuds has a powerful bass straight out of the box without talking too much, I'll go for the Oraimo Freepods 3. When it comes to comfort, both earbuds has ergonomic design that makes them sit comfortably in the ear. From the look of things, you'll notice that the Oraimo Freepods 3 sits closely to the ears, while the Edifier X5 earbuds sticks out a little bit, making it noticeable, though it is not that close like the Oraimo Freepods 3. I experienced a day out when I started using Oraimo Freepods 3. Well, this depends on the user's preference and the shape of your ear. But if I'm to choose in this category, I will go for the Edifier X5 earbuds for that maximum comfort. If you are to look at these earbuds from the price perspective, the Edifier X5 earbud is way cheaper, just as I've said earlier. You can get this at 11,500 naira or less than that during promo or Black Friday deals, while the Oraimo Freepods 3 is around 14,000 naira or thereabouts during promo deals. Still, Edifier X5 earbuds wins this category. Now to the battery life. The Oraimo Freepods 3 has 45 mAh for each of its earbuds and 500 mAh for the charging case, while the Edifier X5 has a bigger 50 mAh for each of its earbuds and same 500 mAh for its charging case. In real life testing, the Edifier X5 lasts longer than the Oraimo Freepods 3. As for things like sweat resistance or how they feel when you are working out, again this differs. So the Oraimo Freepods 3 has an IPS5 waterproof rating which can withstand sweat very well, and the Edifier X5 has an IP55 dust and water resistance which makes it more resistant. But anyways, both earbuds reduce just fine in light rain and workout, but for swimming, that's a bad idea. Now that we have both earbuds compared, which one are you going to take? Maybe you are still confused. I'm going to help you out. So here's my recommendation. If you really want an earbud that has a very good noise cancellation and with a powerful bass, then you should go for the Oraimo Freepods 3, because that will give you what you really want. But if you're someone that wants a cheaper option with a better battery life and an earbud with a very good quality, then you can go for the Edifier X5 earbuds. With that being said, both earbuds really do a great job and I really like both of them. So my personal favorite for now is the Oraimo Freepods 3. I've been Babatunde Omotaro, and if you are new here, please remember to subscribe and give us a like, drop your comments, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you on the next one. Stay safe, God bless you, peace.